Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting your assets ready so you can work fast. Open Funimate, set the project aspect ratio to match your output, then import the clip and a plain background or transparent PNG. You trim the clip to the exact segment you'll edit so processing is faster and more precise. Once done, position the background layer below your clip. Make sure to save or duplicate the clip layer as a backup before proceeding so you can revert if needed. Next, you remove the visible background by applying a mask or chroma key. If your clip has a solid color background, use chroma key and sample the color. Then increase tolerance slowly until the background drops out but the subject remains intact. If the subject needs isolation, use the shape mask or the freehand brush to trace edges. Once the area is removed, feather and edge blur to make the cut look natural. You should also scrub frame by frame and touch up with the manual brush where automated tools miss. To finish, preview the clip over various backgrounds to confirm edges and motion look correct. You export at the original resolution and frame rate. For best transparency, choose a PNG sequence or video format that supports alpha if available. If you notice color fringing or flicker, go back and reduce key tolerance, add slight feathering, or repaint problematic frames with the mask brush. One quick troubleshooting tip: if the subject flickers,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.